Hi! In front of me is Oppo A1K, and today I would like to show you how you can check all device specifications on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and choose Open. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your Oppo's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!